this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney, and this is my dulce husband, Jose.
Hello, mi gente!
So in this week's episode, we're going to be making our very own homemade protein bars.
Vamos a hacer barra de proteína.
So we have all the ingredients laid out here. First, we have raw almonds,
Almendras,
cashews,
cajuil,
protein powder,
proteína,
unsweetened cocoa powder,
polvo de cocoa,
and then we have pitted dates,
ciruela
and a little bit of salt.
y un poquito de sal.
We'll put a note here that you can use any protein powder that you use. We're using a plant-based protein powder, but whatever you like.
Usted usa su propia proteína que usted tenga.
All right, let's get to it.
Alright, let's do it.
So we've mixed all of our ingredients together using our food processor and then transferred them over into our pan lined with wax paper. It's going to go into the freezer for 30 minutes and then it'll be time to eat.
Ya tenemos todo mixeado ahí y lo vamos a poner en la nevera por 30 minutos y va a ser tiempo de comer.
Alright, so they're out of the freezer and we cut one so we can show you what it looks like. Looks terrific, tastes even better. We hope that you try this recipe. If you do, please leave us a comment below. And we appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And we hope to see you next week for our next video.
Así que lo sacamos del freezer y están listos para comer.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be strong inside and out and have a great week.
Fuerte por dentro y por fuera.